Not really a good morning. I don't think the horses care, but you know, had enough of winter. Right, Miss Ems? Yes. Hi, sweetie. Just mommy. It's just mama. It's just me, honey. What is that thing you're holding? She says, I notice everything. I notice everything that you do. Yes, I do. Yep, challenge the poor gelding. Make him move for it. You gotta move for your feed. Nope, this pile's better, I think. Yeah. That's too funny. It's a tablet. Yeah, it's kind of funny looking, isn't it? Has a weird light on it. Yeah.